Hi everyone, I will show you how to create a shared Google Calendar publicly, of course, so your website visitors or whoever wants to see the events that your organization has can see it online and also join that if they want to, right? So let's get to it. The first thing that we need to do is actually going to the Gmail. Okay, so here's my Gmail. From here I will go to the Google Calendar. So from top right I can click on Google Calendar. So this is my Google Calendar that I have right now. So from here I have to create a new calendar, right? The new calendar that basically shows what's going on and the events that I'm going to create. Okay, so from here I'll click on this one, add a calendar. I will say new calendar. From here I will give it a name. This is a test. This is our testing, right? And then you can give it a description, whatever you like, and then you will create that calendar, right? Okay, so after a couple of seconds, the calendar will be created for you. All right. So if you look at your look at the left, you will see that the calendar is created for you. So what I need to do is from here I'll come here and I will say make available to public, and it's asking is it okay to make it public, and I would say yes, it's okay to make it public. Okay, now that everything is clear, what I will do is I will scroll down to here. Okay, this is the part that we are kind of interested. So let's look at it. These are a couple of things that we generally need to share our calendar. The first one is this one. This is the URL to the calendar. Okay, so if you have this URL and give it to anybody, they can watch this watch the calendar publicly on the web, right? Let's try it. And let's just paste it. And here's the calendar that you see. Obviously, we don't have any events in that, so there is nothing here. But as soon as you add the events, they will show up in here too. The second thing that is very important is this code, embed code, that is good for your embedding in the website, right? So if you have a website and you want to show the calendar in your website, you have to give this code to your web developer. Okay, now you can even customize this calendar in your website. Okay, I'll give you a couple of options. So here's how it works. You can, instead of just copying this code, you can hit customize, right? Then here you can give it a title. For instance, this is a title, right? And as soon as you kind of like go to the next option, the calendar gets updated by itself. Then you can say, okay, which options you want to show, which options you don't want to show, right? How do you want to show it? How much is the width and height of the calendar? Which days the week starts, which language you the calendar is, the background color, and all the stuff like that, right? After that, you can just simply update the HTML to work, and then at the end, the only thing that you need to do is copy the whole code here and email it to your web developer. They will embed this one in your website, and from there you can add any events to your calendar and it will show in your website too. At the end, thank you for watching our video again. I hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions regarding this video, please let us know. Thank you. Bye.